My name is CJ Ronnie Holloman, and in my last tutorial, I didn't get into what is the best music program you can use, or what I prefer to use, or what is a good program to start off with. A good program is Acid Pro 4.0, that's 4.0, and Track EQ that I use. See, with Track EQ, you lower the bass frequencies to around 100 hertz and boost the mid frequencies to about 2 hertz, and then to make your vocal track that you got sound as clear as possible and crisp and clean. And this is what it look like when you do it. Yep, this is what it look like. The whole layout. Files, the whole layout of the whole program of what it look like when you do it. This is basically all you generally need, but this is where I make most of my songs in. It's a great program to use, great program to have. So y'all go and get y'all SoundForge Acid Pro 04. They got a couple different ones, but they all work the same. So while I'm playing this, I'm gonna show y'all what this song sound like as it has been done. So let me just play it right quick. Yeah, it's your nigga CJ, C Jizzle, second tap on the beat. Let's do it, my nigga. Do it like a real nigga if you gon' do it. Move it like a real hustler if you gon' move it. You about that action, let's see you prove it. You better tool it, you better shoot it. Do it like a real nigga if you gon' do it. Do it like a real nigga if you gon' do it. Do it like a real nigga if you gon' do it. Do it like a real nigga if you gon' do it. It's your nigga CJ chillin' on the west side, smoking weed in a pair of papers, yeah, they top. I be on the block with a young boy selling crack rock. Watch out for the cops while you try to catch this knot. Your boy spinning games at the major stops. All my real niggas, I can give a fuck if you don't like me, nigga. Because real recognize real nigga. Do it like a real nigga if you gon' do it. Move it like a real hustler if you gon' move it. You about that action, let's see you prove it. You better tool it, you better shoot it. Do it like a real nigga if you gon' do it. Do it like a real nigga if you gon' do it. Do it like a real nigga if you gon' do it. Do it like a real nigga if you gon' do it. Yeah, that was just an example. Well, that's pretty much all I have for this video. But if y'all like the video, give me some more views on my YouTube channel and subscribe and check me out for more videos. This has been CJ Ronnie Holloman signing out. Peace, y'all. Bye.